This rolling.
Yeah.
मालवी, उस दुखद इंसिडेंट के दौरान you
Yeah.
approached Kangna
जी.
and she came for your rescue.
Right.
अब what happened between you and her?
Actually, I approached her because we belong to the same town, and there was some relation between us, and I met her 2-3 times. So I thought like she's a powerful in industry and she can help me out. She said a lot of things in Twitter that she's gonna come and all that, but nobody approached me from her team, and that was the time I needed her mostly because my case was going on. There was harassment from a lot of places and all. Still the case is going on, but you know, she backed out. Whatever she said, she backed out. And the same time Urmila ji came up and her team approached me and she met me personally, and she discussed the case and she called a lot of people from police and the media and everybody that please support this girl, and she helped me a lot in the judicial system also. So it was a big support from her, and still she's in touch with me and she messaged me a lot of times, if you need any help please contact me. So I feel that I don't know Urmila ji, but still she helped me, and I know Kangana and she didn't help me. So I got to know the real faces of people. Like when you are in bad times, it teaches you a lot of things, who are there for you and who are not there for you. So this is the thing I learned from this incident.
क्यों आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप जिस जगह से बिलोंग करती हैं, वहीं से ताल्लुक रखती हैं, वहीं से कंगना भी आती है, उसके बावजूद क्या लगता है वो सिर्फ लाइमलाइट में रहने के लिए सब करती है?
आई डोंट नो, वो मुझे नहीं पता, मैं नहीं कह सकती. हो सकता है कि वो ये सब करने के लिए ही बोलती होंगी, बिकॉज वो हर इशू में बोलती है, चाहे वो फार्मर्स का इशू हो, चाहे वो कोई भी इशू हो, शी हैज़ टू टॉक समथिंग अबाउट इट. बट व्हेन एक्चुअली कम्स टू हेल्प समबडी, शी इज़ नॉट देयर. So what is the point? You just say it and you are not doing it. That means you are not a woman of substance. You just talk and you do nothing. I respect her so much as an actress because she's a great actress, but as a human, I don't respect her at all.
What about Urmila Matondkar?
She is a great woman, and I'm so happy she joined Shiv Sena because she actually deserved that. She is a woman who has emotions, who connect to people, and she has so much emotion towards me. She doesn't know me, but she, I saw the pain in her eyes when I met her, how bad she felt about this incident. That pain I saw in her eyes, and I realized, she's a woman of substance and she knows what is the pain I've gone through, and that was not easy thing. That was very difficult, and it was a bad memory which I always want to forget from my life, and I don't want to remember that at all. And because of my parents, because of my spiritual strength, I have recovered so fast, and the case is still going on, but the mental thing, our mental healing is still going on, and I hope I'll recover that very soon.
Urmila in one line.
Fabulous and a woman of substance, I can
Kangana
say
in one
that.
line.
Kangana, there's no words. I think she's fake, I can say that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
How important is the Women's Day?
It is really important because we really need to celebrate the womanhood, and they actually do so much for our society. They give birth to a child, so they are like, women are like goddess. So Women's Day is like best time to celebrate womanhood.
Who is your host tonight?
Host Namita and Tasneem, they both are really nice, and I'm very very happy to be part of this Women's Day event.
What happening in professional front?
I just finished a web series called Geisha, which is gonna come on Digiflix, and I'm doing 2 films down south, one Tamil, one Telugu, and in Hindi there is one more going on. I'm doing a script reading for that, so yeah, it's going on the
If you
process.
can throw some more light on the project you're doing for Netflix.
It's about a geisha, story of a girl. She's an actress and she comes to Bombay to mark her stand in the industry, and then what happens, it's her struggle so far, how's her journey and stuff, and she meet a lot of people and turn out to be, go into some different directions and stuff, and turn out to be a murder mystery. So it's very interesting, inspired from a real story.
Is this story about you?
Yeah, it's about me. I'm the geisha in the script. Yeah.
That the incident which happened
Yeah, no, it is very different from that incident. It's not like that. That incident was like a history now. I'm over it. But this is very different story, and it is, it is inspired by a true event which actually happens in our industry. Have you seen Madhu Bhandarkar's Page 3 or The Fashion? It's very close to that, but turn out to be a murder mystery. So it's like that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.